Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix there was an unexpected error in the property page. System restore error 0x81000202 space 0x81000203. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open your services. How you can do such? By looking at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together. Again, press Windows key and R key together and type services dot msc. The moment you have typed that, click on OK to proceed. Wait until a new window, which is the services, would appear. Where here, you need to select any of the service and system. Type V and look for a system which is volume shadow copy. Again, look for a system called volume shadow copy. Once you have find it, do a right click, go with properties, and in this window, proceed with the startup type and change it into automatic delayed start. Again, set it into automatic delayed start, click on apply and OK. Once you have set it, proceed on the second service, which is Microsoft Software Shadow Copy. So type M and look for it. Again, look for Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. Do a right click, go with Properties, and change the startup type into Automatic. Click on Apply and OK. Once you have the click on it, do a right click again, go with Properties, and click on Start. Wait until this will be done, and once you have started, click on OK and close this window. So check if your problem has been fixed. So go with the button search bar and type for advanced space system. Once you have typed it, go with open under the best matched and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, there it is. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.